guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Happiness and Lifestyle and I'm Hema. And today I'll be doing an Ofra haul, and these are some things that I bought online, and there are two packages, one here and one here, because I did two different orders actually. First I did an order because they had free shipping, and then I ended up getting some other item that I saw went on sale, and I was like, okay, I ordered that again. So in that way I got two things. So let me show you guys what I have got. And before I show you guys that, today the lipstick I have on is the Shiseido's lipstick. I probably should have put that video already. I would have posted that video already. So this is the Shiseido's lipstick, the pink one. I don't remember the name. Sorry. Maybe it was Throwback. I don't remember the name. So if you can, I will link that video somewhere, my Shiseido lipstick swatch video, so you can watch that. But that's the lipstick I have on. And on the eyes also, I would have already uploaded my swatches of the Colored Rain palette that I had got, which was the Vivid Pigments eyeshadow palette. That's the one I've used on my eyes. If you want to, I'm just going to come closer to see. I've done like some blue, pink, purple look. I don't know what I did, but something I did. And the highlighter I have on today is the Opal highlighter from Becca. Actually, I have everything Becca on my face today. Like, I also did some bronzing. I used the Becca, oh my god, I don't remember the name now, Sun something palette. I'd done a haul. I had showed that to you guys long back in some TJ Maxx haul. It's like a I think it's the sun something, a palette which has a bronzer, a blush, and the highlighter, which is the Opal highlighter, which is very popular. So I have the Opal highlighter on, I have the blush from that palette on, and I also have some bronzing going on with that. So that's the whole Becca thing on my face today. Now, let me get on with this haul right now. So the first thing I got, guys, is the liquid lipstick set. It's like a mini liquid lipstick set, and this one right here. Now, how much was it? I don't really remember, guys, because yeah, I got this during the new year. Yeah, before the new year stuff. So it says welcome 20 cheers to 2019 here on this calendar. That, you know, not calendar, the thing that comes with it, a card. So let me also take this other item off that I've got, and that is this here. And this is a set it's also a set. It's called the On Holiday set. It has two liquid lipsticks and a highlighter. So these are the two things, and this has 4 liquid lipsticks. Now, what I saw is, I actually removed the liquid lipsticks and I already tried them on. The colors are really pretty, but I didn't expect it to be this tiny. Like, I'll show you the container. It's like, I don't know. I didn't feel it was worth it to buy. This is a $20. This was $20, but I think I didn't get it for $20. I think I got it for less. I used some discount, and I think it was on sale at that time when I got it, so I would have got it for lesser than that. And this is, I think, $25. And again, I don't remember, but I did get some discounts on these, so I don't remember the exact price, but they retail for $25 and $20. Now, I really don't think they're worth $20 if I compare it with other liquid lipsticks, mini liquid lipsticks that you get in a set like this, that have much more like content in it. I feel I don't know, I felt like it had very less. So first, let me show you guys this one, and this is called the On Holiday set. It's called the On Holiday set, and this highlighter is why I got this. Actually, this is their Rodeo highlighter, Rodeo Drive highlighter, and the two liquid lipsticks are Tuscany and Americano. So let me show you guys. It looks really pretty inside. Look at that packaging, is so pretty inside, and it has this tiny mini highlighter, which actually the highlighter size is good. Like, you know, I don't need a bigger size than this. The mini highlighter is still good size. And then you get these two liquid lipsticks, which are tiny, but look at the shape. That is the reason. I don't know how much gram is in it. Would it, I don't know if it would say anywhere here how much gram this contains, or milligram. Yeah, I don't know how to figure that out here by looking at the package, because I don't see anything here. But so let me show you guys first the highlighter, and then I will show you the swatches of this thing. And I do love this highlighter. It is so pretty, and look at I love this packaging. It's kind of like it closes on its own. I don't know, I think it's magnetic probably, or it just clasps really good. So it's really cute, and it has a mirror too, which is great. And the color is so pretty actually. I have tried this on and I really love this color. And this has become one of my favorite highlighters, along with my MAC. What is that? The one I got? Oh, Darling. I really love that highlighter. I have fallen in love with that highlighter now. So I love that highlighter. And then this one is also another one. Opal is not really my favorite. Like today I have opal on my cheeks. But yes, I also forgot that I also mixed it with another highlighter, a golden highlighter from Becca itself actually. It's like the California Glow palette I have that has a golden highlighter. So I mixed both, and so you can see like lot of glow there, because that's like completely golden color. So this is really good. It's very natural color when you put it on the highlight. It looks very like you're glowing from within kind of look, and that's why I love this. So that's why this is like become one of my favorite. And maybe in one of the videos when I'm going to do a Ofra this liquid lipsticks, I'm going to swatch them on the lips in another video, and then I will show you guys. I'm going to apply this at that time. So that is the Rodeo Drive. Now let me also show you guys just a swatch of it maybe here. Like when you look at it, it looks like that pink champagne. So it kind of looks exactly like the way opal looks, right? Like when I compare it, when it looks similar to that opal, but when you swatch it on your skin, especially on the face, you will see that it is a little different. It has more pearliness, more than the champagne. It has more that pearl kind of glow coming through it, and which I love. So that is the highlighter, and it's really nice pack that you can use for like traveling. And I have kind of been obsessing with like highlighters. Like I'm getting on the trend with the highlighters right now. I'm liking it. So so that's the one. Now let me just swatch these on my hand and arm and show you guys. So this is the Americano, and this is the Tuscany. And even though they are very, very tiny, the name here is written so clearly that I can see it. It's not too tiny. So this one, the Americano, is kind of like a brownie color. And I don't know, by swatching it once or twice, I probably will finish it, because it seems like it has so little product in there. And because of the shape, look, so this is Americano. So that's the color. It's a beautiful brownie mauve nude. But look at the shape of this, right? Because it's like this square, you will see half of it is the tube. Like the whole space is taken by the tube. The tube is so thick, and then there's like tiny bit inside. So I mean, if these are on sale, only then it'll be worth to buy it. I mean, they were on sale when I bought it, but again, I probably got like I think I would have got this for $15 maybe, and the other one like $5 off or something. So I don't know. It's not worth. You can get them if you like the color, and you can get the bigger size. I think that'll be much better. So that's the color there. Beautiful Americano. And then the other one is the Tuscany, and I love this color too. It is beautiful. Let me swatch it. It is like this berry color, but it's like very lighter berry, not very dark, like a mauve but berry color. So pretty, really pretty. So the one below, that's Tuscany. And then now let's go to this second one, which is $20, and you get 4 of them. And this one is called the Hot Toddies. It's called the Hot Toddies. This is the one with like kind of little bit bright colors, I would say. Pinky red colors. And I'm going to open it. The packaging inside, it looks like colorful, same as the other one, like the same kind of packaging inside. And then let me go from like the lighter here to the darker. So the first one in this is Monaco, and it's looking shiny. I've not tried these on actually, so you can see that they're not been swatched or anything there. You don't see them on the rim because I haven't tried this on. Okay, so this is Monaco. Oh yeah, this is a shimmery one. Okay, so this is the metallic one, but yeah, I remember it didn't look that bad, like that, the pink metallic. So something that I would be able to wear, I guess. So, oh my god, is it focusing? There, the pink metallic. So that's Monaco. I think that's the only metallic one. Then the next one is kind of purpley color, which is Mina, and it's like a purpley dark color. And this is very moussey. I mean, the Ofra liquid lipstick, I have one of them with me. Yeah, the Miami Fever, and they are quite moussey, but these kind of seem like they were sitting there for a long time or something. They feel more moussey. So that's Mina. That's a nice color too. And then I probably need to look at that. Look at that. See, I've not even used it, and look at that. It looks like it's like empty there at spots. See that there are like spots there which look kind of empty. There's nothing there, and few spots there and here. So yeah, I don't know if it is worth $20 to buy all this. This is Bal Harbour, and this is something that a lot of them have been raving about, this color, because it's like a very nice nudie color. So this is the color, the way it looks. Yeah, it's like a dark nude, but a very dark nude. I love it. It's nice. Bal Harbour. That's Bal Harbour. And then one last one, guys, and that is the red one, and it is called the Brickell. That's a Brickell, and this is a red. A blue based red. I'm really trying to sparingly use it here so that I don't waste the product. So that is like a blue based red, Brickell. It should be like a brick color, but it's really, it looks like blue based to me. Brickell. So those are all the colors, and that's it. These are the only 2 packs. I probably should have got it at once, but then it was like different sale going on different days. I think I did one, and then I got a coupon, and then I was like, oh, I need to use that coupon, and then I bought another thing. So that's what happened probably. So that's why I got 2 of them. But my favorite in all this is this highlighter. The Rodeo Drive is really beautiful. If you get a chance to buy just this mini one or something, get it, because I think it'll go along with any skin tone, and especially because you can build it up and you can like use it as a very subtle highlight too, and you can also build it up. So I really loved the highlighter. So if I repurchase, I would repurchase this one again. So that's it, guys. So guys, before leaving, let me show you my dress that I'm wearing today. This is a dress I got from India long back. Yes, everything I show you guys will be always long back. Let me show you guys. It's a really pretty dress. It's like a cotton kind of frock, and it's pretty long. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I think this video went long, like more than expected. Take care and stay healthy. Thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.